it's me, and today I have a very small unboxing, you see. So let's check it out. This box, I expect to get some easy keyboards to, well, just complete my collection. So cut it open. This side's also taped. So let's cut it. Maybe it's okay now. It's taped again. So we have two puzzles. Why is there a guide here when it's a cuboid? So we have this 1x1x3 here that I had one, but I lost it. So it's a YJ super floppy cube, and now we have a cube for you. A cube for you puzzle. It's a 2x2x3. That's what I ordered. Wait, it's a 2x3x3? Huh. Weird. I ordered a 2x2x3, but this came in the box. Huh. I ordered a 2x2x3. So this solves very easily. So this thing turns okay. I hope it doesn't explode like the last time, because it explodes everywhere. Like, well, you probably get the idea. This is a very easy cuboid to solve. Maybe it's a beginner cuboid if you're starting on doing some cuboids. But the thing is, I don't know why they sent me this. I didn't ask them for a 2x2x3. Wait, a 2x3x3. I asked them for a 2x2x3. So that's sad. So I'm gonna solve it real quick. I know how to solve it. So it's gonna be easy. So solve the corners, then the edges. Okay. Now we've solved the cube. So I'm not really sure why they sent me this. I don't even know. I think I'm gonna just tell them. So this will be a very easy cuboid to solve, since I know I use my method. So no one really uses this method apart from me. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this is a very easy case. And then we have a W perm, which have to do this, then do an adjacent swap. Then on the bottom, just do the same thing. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want other people to look at this as well, just share this video to them. And if you want to keep up with my new videos, just subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. I think I'm gonna compare it with my old Lan. It looks pretty much identical. This is the Lan. This is the Cube for you. This corner cuts better. This is worse. But I don't really know. I'm not really sure why they send me another 2x2x3. No, a 2x3x3. I already had one. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.